Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to update World of Warships so you can play the latest version. If you're using Steam, open Steam and go to your library. Once you're in library, find World of Warships and then right click. And then what you have to do next is click on Properties. And then once here, you click on Updates. Make sure always keep this game up to date is selected. This will automatically update your game if there are new patches or new updates or new events. If you're using Wargaming Game Center, open Wargaming Game Center, select World of Warships, and if an update is available, you'll see an update button, and then what you have to do is click it. Wait for the download and installation to finish, and then your game will be updated. Quick tips: keep your internet stable for faster updates, restart the launcher if the update doesn't appear, and avoid running other heavy programs during the update. And that's it. Once the update finishes, you can launch World of Warships and enjoy the latest features and fixes.